Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this Toyota Sienna, and this quick video I'd like to show you how to get out your battery and replace it in case if you have to. So let's start. I already opened the hood and we have our battery here. For this procedure we will need 10mm ratchet with a socket and 10mm wrench. So what do we have to do? We have to take the terminals off and remove this bolt right here. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this bolt right here. Okay, so for this I'm gonna use a ratchet. You can also use a wrench if you, whatever you have. So I'm gonna put you guys here. Push you guys here and hope you guys can see it. So same thing, 10mm ratchet. Okay, I got the bolt out here and we unhooked. So there's a hook, this hook right here. It goes over there and just hooks on to the side. You will see it. So once you have this out, just set it aside, take your ratchet or the wrench and remove the terminal cables. So you have to take these terminal bolts or nuts and remove them. Just loosen them that much so we can actually spin like this and set it aside. Same thing here. I need two hands for this. Okay, and remove this terminal, set it aside over there, and this one goes in here. Now the battery moves out and we can just raise it out and get it out. Okay, now we got the battery out. So now if you have to buy your own battery, then make sure you get the right measurements, length, width, height, and you have to make sure that the positive terminals right here, negatives right here. Okay, so it has to be pretty much the same shape, or you can just go to the parts store and they're gonna get you whatever you need. Now when we have the new battery, you can give the old battery as a core and get some money for it. Okay, so now when we have the new battery, just same way, put it back in. Okay, get the battery in and tighten up both terminals. So tighten up tightening up these nuts right here. Okay, after that, the next procedure is I'm gonna take this hook and hook it on over there. Well, you will understand when you do it, because right now it's too dark, so you just have to hook on the other side and then just, okay, good, and then just put the nut back, this bolt back in place. After you have this bolt back in place, you tighten up this nut right here and you're all set. Okay guys, so hope this helps. If it does, please press like button. Have a great day. Bye.